Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Angar Santos from the Filipino Times. And I would just like to share my experience yesterday because I was so blessed and lucky to be with the stars yesterday, the whole day. And they are indeed stars because even though they're tired, they manage to smile. So there. My first question would be for Marian and Ding Dong. So, after 7 long years of being together, how does it feel getting engaged and getting married to, I'm talking to Marian, to Ding Dong. How does it feel that finally you're getting married?
Kala ko naman ang question about concert. Well, ang sinasabi nga nila, ang pag-aasawa ay hindi biro talaga yan. So, itong tatahakin naming daan, alam namin yung mga tao nakapalibot sa amin. At isa siguro sa mapagmamalaki ko at talagang sasabihin ko na mapalad ako dahil itong magiging partner ko talaga isang magandang ehemplo para sa akin. Para mas naging, palagi ko itong sinasabi, para mas maging mabuting tao palalo. Kasi parang ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung mga kapartner mo, nandyan para i-push ka sa magagandang gawain, sa mga positive. Totoo yun. Oo. So, isa yun sa mga sinasabi ko na sobrang blessed ako kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na itong mga kapartner ko habang buhay ay talaga napakabuting tao. At maraming mag-a-agree sa akin.
Thank you. How about you, Ding Dong?
You're from the Filipino Times, right? So thank you for co-presenting para dun sa event na to. Well, just for a little correction, it's 6 years. 6
Oh,
years.
I'm so sorry about that. Okay.
6 years. Pero pwede na rin, di ba? The more the merrier. Pwede na rin yun.
Hindi pwede, kailangan 6 months.
Officially or unofficially? Lahat naman tayo may ganun, di ba? But what's important is that we're taking it a step further, and we're really serious about this relationship. Kaya ako, ang feeling ko I think siguro para sa akin specifically isa yun sa magiging pinakamasayang araw ng buhay ko. Pero ang pinakamahalaga pa doon yung mga days after. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I'm just so happy and proud that she's going to be my soon-to-be wife.
I have a follow-up question. What are the qualities that made you fall in love with each other big time?
How many minutes do we have? Because I can go on and on for days para to explain, the qualities that she has. Pero hindi, totoo lang naman. Pwede tayo magkwentuhan ng mga ilang araw, gano'n naman. 6 years pa naman, di ba? Ang daming mo pwedeng kwento. But anyway, siguro pinakamahalaga sa lahat is that I saw in her the qualities na gugustuhin ko para sa mag-aalaga ng soon-to-be family ko. I know that she will become a perfect wife, a perfect mother, and a perfect partner in the future.
Okay, so tanongin ko naman si Judy Ann. Judy Ann?